Hello and welcome to Folk Vang Studios. This is going to be well, it's not really going to be too quick, but this is going to be basically a glossing over a very like a fast run through of how I got to where I am today on a certain aspect, and the aspect was, as you see, a singular animation, Bomber Bug Anim. This is one really long take. Track, whatever the animation program calls it. There's a million names for the same thing. It's really annoying at times, and it is frustrating. It was frustrating me yesterday to find this answer. So basically, okay, so we got the bomber bug, and I want to break that up into one animation, like this. Where is it? Right here. So one file, one animation. Boom. Okay, he's going from the air, he's landing on the ground. Boom. Or he's dying. Boom. Right? That's it. That's all I want. That was a simple thing, and it took forever to find how to do this. So I'm trying to I'm going to share my frustration with everybody who hopefully was watching. I like this animation. I just wanted to find this. Boom. Okay. I love that. Okay. So anyways, here we are. So we're going to start here. I'm going to go to this. Yes, Infinity PBR are the assets that I've been using. I bought them a long time ago on the Unity store. Love the guy's work, and I'm incorporating that into like this guy right here. This guy was a huge pain in the neck. I'm not even going to talk about him. I still got PTSD from this guy. Let's go in here. So I'm going to go to my models, and I'm going to grab my bomber bug. Not Cinema 4D. Where is he? Bomber Bug FPX. Here we go. Yeah, I tried Cinema 4D. I tried a bunch of other fixes for this, and nothing worked for me. So basically, we're going to import the skeletal mesh. Import mesh. We're going to leave that alone. Leave that alone. I'm going to return that back to 1 because the snake was needed to be like 500 to work. We're going to import. We're going to just leave everything alone. Convert scene. Animations are going to be fine. Extended time. Import all. Okay. Just got to go through the list and make sure that everything's, check it twice. Let's make sure he's the correct size. Yes, he is the correct size. And here we go. We got the singular animation. Boom. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. I don't remember if I did this already for this video because I redid this about 100 times. So we are basically, you're going to buy this for $11 on the Epic or the Unreal Asset Store. It's $11. It only works for 5.1. So yes, if you're anything like me, you have a lot of versions of Unreal. 4.27 for some assets that I had to migrate up to 5.4. This is my current project. This is where I was when I was doing my the online courses. There's a couple assets I have that are only compatible with 5.0 and now 5.1. Okay, so enough rambling. All right, moving on. So range anime export. Boom. Okay, so I need to figure out. Okay, I already got this in there, but I need to figure out where to go. And actually, where is it? Models. Hold on, I gotta get my directory here. Animation sequences. Here we go. So. Okay, so in here I want to put my directory where I want to basically throw all that stuff. And how I got this information is back in Unity where the asset is basically in here. Oh shoot, I did screw up already on my import. Okay, so you got attack 1, attack blah blah blah. These are all clips, and this is stored in the Unity's meta file, the meta file for the okay, let's just real quickly explain it. So, in here, you have Bomber Bug, you have the FBX or whatever asset you have, and then you have a meta file. Unreal just basically makes it one entire file. So, you open up a notebook, blah, 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 or notepad. This is all the data in the file, and it's a lot. You scroll down, way down here. I probably scrolled too far. Yeah, it's whatever. But all the clip data, I'm not even going to bother. All the clip data is in here. And we're not going to do that. I'm not even going to bother going into that. So you can't import the FBX file and expect all the animations to work, because this is actually a nice way of breaking up. If I knew how to do this in Unreal, it would save me a lot of trouble. Anyways, I'm doing idle, 0, start 0 and 40. So I'm going to start frame and end frame 0, and I'm going to export it as another thing. Then I'm going to go to idle break, which is 50 to 140. So let's go here, range export again. We're going to do 50 to, what was it, 140? That's easy enough. 140 export. What I'm going to do one more. Let's just do explode, because I love explode. 830 to 940. So go back here. Boom. 830 to 940. I've got these almost memorized because I did this like 100 times yesterday. Okay. Boom. Done. Okay. Great. Wonderful. Let's just go to animations folder, and here they are. They're named this way. So when you do it, like, you have to remember, okay, this is, oops. This is idle. This is explode. And this is basically idle break. Yes, I did this so many times I remembered their names. Okay, so then you go, basically you just do this as you would. Now these are actually going to not work, and I'll show you why. Boom. We're going to give it bomber bug skeleton. Where's the other skeleton from? Oh, that's the other. Okay, I got it. And we're going to import all. Boom. Okay, so save all. Save selected. Make sure you save your work. Blah, blah, blah. Let's just do explode, because you know what that looks like, and it didn't work. Okay. But idle will work. Idle works fine. Okay, why did explode not work, which is at the end, right? Well, because I imported the animations at the raw. So let's go in here. Actually, I got to move him out of the directory. So let's just. I'm not going to create another directory for that. Bomber bug animation, right? So boom. Okay, so it works. And explode was the last animation, but it didn't work. Okay, so we gotta actually delete this, and I'll show you real quick. So I had to move the mesh out of the way so I can re-import this file. So I gotta go back to models, and I gotta go back to my bomber bug. It's Unity. I mean, Unity just clutters up your directories, right? So bomber bug FBX. I mean, all this is just metadata and other stuff that just messes it up. So we're gonna go here now. There's a thing. Go to Unity, and if I can find, oh, here it is. Here it is, right here. Length, blah blah blah, and here's this 24 frames per second. All of these animations are at 24 frames a second. Okay, well the default import is not that. So you got to go to import animation. Here we are. Import meshes, bone, import range, blah blah blah. I mean, you could do this. I mean. Frame import range, minimum to maximum. Use default sample rate, which is no. You want to do 24 here. And then from this, actually, can I do this? Can I type in anything? No, I can't. Okay, so I can't type in anything in there. Okay, that would have saved me a couple dollars. And then import all. Okay. So now I imported that at 24 frames a second. Boom. Okay. So let's go back and go to here where I did my animation sequences and delete them. Okay. So let's just do that one more time, because this is the pain that I went through, and I'm sharing that so you know where the trip up points are. Where's the animation sequence? Here it is. Okay, so we go to range anim export. We're gonna do, that's explode, so we're just gonna keep that. Boom. Okay, create, whoops, range anim export. 0 to, oops, tab, 0 to 40. And one more. range animation. Okay, so we're doing 50 to 140. I mean, that was an easy. That's an easy one to remember. And then go back into here, animations, delete these because they're all, oops, not that. I want to delete these guys. This guy can actually go back to the main, well, no, actually, well, yeah, he can, but I am not going to rename them in the file. I'm just going to copy them over. Here we go, sample rate, all that stuff. Skeleton is going to be the bomber bug, which is this one, not the one with textures. Import all. And now if we go to explode, which is this guy. Oh, I gotta zoom out. Oh, I gotta really zoom out. There we go. Oh. Well, that's weird. Let's just delete that one real quick. I think I know what happened. We're gonna delete him too. Okay, so go into models, bomber bug, bring that in. I think, oh no, actually that's normal. Okay, well, whatever. Animation sequences. See, there's all kinds of bugs, and I'm not going to delete these mistakes from the video because they're actually important to know. So then bomber bug imports, let's see, oh, there we go, that's why. One, okay. The animation import didn't work. And then basically, boom, import all. Okay, that should be, yeah, there we go. Okay, that's normal size. Boom, okay, and it worked, okay? Great. Just because you have to make sure that your frame timing here, I'm just gonna redo that. This little grayed out, barely visible number is really important. So remember this. Remember this number if you gotta remember anything, right? And then going back into the other thing, boom, okay. And then here we go. This is the final product. I'm gonna do that with the snake next. You'll see it in next week's video. But anyways, thank you. I hope you got something out of this video, and leave a like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff, and buy my games. Even if you don't play it, just buy them games to support me. Buy an actual product that I made. Support me so my future endeavors, right? So I want to keep on doing this. Anyways, bye. Have a good one.